Welcome back to Quickapedia, the channel where we break down big topics quickly. Today we're talking about something that affects over 1 in 10 adults worldwide, diabetes. Let's break it down in simple terms. What is diabetes? Diabetes is a chronic health condition that affects how your body turns food into energy. Normally, when you eat, your body breaks food down into glucose or sugar and releases it into your bloodstream. Then, your pancreas releases a hormone called insulin, which helps your cells absorb that sugar and use it for energy. But if you have diabetes, your body either doesn't make enough insulin or can't use it properly. That leads to high blood sugar levels, which over time can cause serious health problems, including heart disease, kidney damage, vision loss, and more. Types of diabetes. There are 2 main types. Type 1 diabetes. This is an autoimmune condition. Your immune system mistakenly attacks the insulin-producing cells in your pancreas. As a result, you make little or no insulin. It usually shows up early in life and requires daily insulin injections. Type 2 diabetes. This is much more common. About 90 to 95% of all diabetes cases. It usually develops in adults, but more and more kids and teens are getting it. In type 2, your body doesn't use insulin well, and over time can't make enough of it. There's also gestational diabetes, which happens during pregnancy and usually goes away after birth, but increases your risk for type 2 later. How common is it? Diabetes is everywhere. As of 2025, more than 530 million people worldwide have diabetes. That number is expected to reach 640 million by 2030, according to the International Diabetes Federation. And here's the kicker, almost half of them don't even know they have it. Why is it on the rise? A few key reasons. Unhealthy diets high in sugar and processed foods, lack of exercise, obesity, especially belly fat, aging populations, stress and poor sleep, and yes, even genetics plays a role. Modern lifestyles make it easier than ever to develop diabetes, especially type 2. Is there a cure? Sadly, there's no permanent cure yet for diabetes. But the good news? Type 2 diabetes can often be reversed or managed through lifestyle changes. Type 1 requires lifelong insulin therapy, but treatments are improving all the time. Researchers are working on everything from artificial pancreas technology to gene therapies and stem cell treatments. How to prevent or manage diabetes. Here are some simple and powerful tips. Eat a balanced diet, focus on whole foods, fiber, lean proteins, and cut back on sugary drinks. Get moving. Just 30 minutes of walking a day can make a difference. Lose excess weight, especially if it's around your waist. Monitor your blood sugar if you're at risk. Reduce stress. It can spike blood sugar levels. Sleep well. Poor sleep is linked to insulin resistance. Get regular checkups, especially if diabetes runs in your family. What does the future look like? The future of diabetes care is actually pretty exciting. Tech like continuous glucose monitors, smart insulin pens, and even AI-powered treatment plans are helping people manage diabetes more easily than ever. Some researchers are even working on vaccines for type 1 diabetes and regenerative therapies that could one day cure the disease entirely. So that's the story of diabetes, what it is, why it's rising, and how you can fight back. Got questions? Want to share your own experience? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Quickapedia, and let us know what topic you want us to simplify next. Until then, stay curious and stay healthy.